Hello and welcome to Prudent Media News. The top stories this hour. Social Welfare Department as the nodal agency to implement Tribal Forest Act. MOPA will bring more tourists, will leave no space for Goans in Goa. Churchill comes out with another funny argument to oppose MOPA. Home Department to table Goa Police Bill in upcoming Assembly session. Additional Police Inspector for Ponda to allow CL Patil to concentrate only on Mahanan case. Group of 7 will not get damaged if we enter Congress. Vishwajit tells Prudent Media that he can't fight elections as independent candidate for a long time. It's World Environment Day today and we tell you some easy ways to protect our environment. And Rajasthan Royals suffered collective failure. No blaming one or two players, says Goa Ranji captain Swapnil Asnodkar. Now the news in detail. Goa government has nominated Social Welfare Department as the nodal agency to implement Tribal Forest Act. This was informed by the officials of Forest Department to the ad hoc committee on Thursday in Margao.
The meeting of ad hoc committee of Goa Assembly on Agriculture and Forest was held on Thursday at Madgaon. Ad hoc committee chairman on Agriculture and Forest Lakshmikant Parsekar, MLA Vasudev Mengaonkar and other officials were present. Issues like barren agricultural land, land conservation, Tribal Forest Act came up for discussion.
What is Forest Act?
It is a
Tribal Forest
Act.
Yeah.
To be implemented by Social Welfare Department.
Implementation is other thing. What is the present status? Whether that Tribal Forest Act is there?
It is implemented for Goa.
Not at it is in the stage of implementation.
What is the status?
It is yet to be deliberated at the nodal office.
Member of committee Vasudev Mengaonkar complained that forest department officials are harassing tribals who are staying in forest area.
हो जो ऍक्ट आसा ह्या लोकांच्या बेनिफिटासाठी तुम्ही प्रयत्न करपाक जाय किंवा तुम्ही सोशल वेलफेअर डिपार्टमेंट म्हणटा की फॉरेस्टान करपाचे फॉरेस्ट म्हणटा की सोशल वेलफेअर डिपार्टमेंटान करपाचे हेजेर आमी येणाऱ्या काळात जो विषय आसा तो आमी मुखार व्हरतले पूण तुम्ही तेजेर स्टडी करून हो जो विषय आसा तो म्हाका दिसता फॉरेस्टाक लागता.
Parsekar briefed us more on the committee meeting.
ते कन्वर्शना म्हणजे अग्रिकल्चर इंटू नॉन अग्रिकल्चर जेन्ना आसता तेन्ना खरें म्हणजे अग्रिकल्चर डिपार्टमेंट इज रियली कन्सर्न्ड पण अग्रिकल्चर डिपार्टमेंटाचे खंयच कन्सेंट किंवा एनओसी ह्या प्रक्रियेंत घेतली वचना. अग्रिकल्चर डिपार्टमेंट इज नो वेअर इनवॉल्वड इन दीस प्रोसिजर आणि इट इज नॉट फेअर. So agriculture department's NOC should be made compulsory.
A reporter from
PWD Minister Churchill Alemao has once again expressed a need for 4-lane highway in the state. State government has now prepared a plan for 4-lane highway causing minimal demolition of houses. However, Alemao once again has gone against Mopa Airport and 6-lane highway, saying they would bring more tourists, leaving no space for Goans in Goa.
PWD Minister Churchill Alemao, who once upon a time used to welcome tourists who had a wish that more and more tourists should come to Goa, now feels that if more tourists come to state then it will be a problem for the Goans. Churchill also feels that Goa doesn't have proper planning. He has once again opposed Mopa Airport on pretext that it will bring more tourists.
जरी तरी मोपा तर एअरपोर्ट येयलो आनी तुवें तरी आतां 3 लाख लोक 4 लाख लोक थिंगा हातून तरी आनी तरी 50 लाख लोक हाडलो तर आमी गोंयकारांक खंय रावपाचें. तूं ट्युरिस्ट जायत रावलो आख्या वर्ल्डाक तूं ट्युरिस्ट हाडलो येता वर्ल्डाक ट्युरिस्ट थिंगा मागीर तुवें खंय रावपाचें हांवें खंय रावपाचें तुवें खंय रावपाचें तें म्हाका तूं प्लॅनिंग दिया मरे.
Churchill has always opposed 6-lane highway in Goa. He has now written to the chairman of National Highway Authority of India opposing 6-lane highway. Churchill has also stated that report filed in this regard is incorrect and has many errors. He has also informed that Goa government has planned 4-lane highway which will save many houses from demolition.
रेगुलेशन कोण आसना पूल 4-lane कोण चोया पूल 4-lane तरी केलें जाल्यार आमकां उस्कार मेळ्ळा पूण सद्याक उस्कार मेळटा आमकां आनी ती 4-lane जाता जाल्यार आमकां स्टेट लेवलाचेर करची पडटली नाल्यार सेंट्रल गव्हर्मेंट करता म्हणल्यार आमी ना हाजें आतां हांव ते ब्रिजी लागून दिल्लो आहा ब्रिज म्हणजे सात गोडे स्ट्रॉंग आहा आनी 5 वर्सां स्ट्रॉंग ती पूण ते फुडें आमी प्रोविजन करपाक जाय ब्रिज बांदपाक सो हांव पयर सीएमा बरें येयलो सीएमानी आमी आतां वचपाय हांव आनी सीएम आतां सेंट्रल वचपाय.
Our senior reporter from Panji, Rakesh Kanolkar, with video journalist Yashwant Parab.
Home Ministry has decided to table Goa police bill in upcoming assembly session. Home Ministry has also taken a decision to depute one more PI at Ponda police station so that CL Patil can only concentrate on Dupatta killer Mahanand Naik case.
Home Minister Ravi Naik has said that they are still studying police bills obtained from Delhi and Maharashtra to prepare Goa police bill. He has also said that the bill is likely to be tabled in the upcoming assembly session. The bill is with select committee. It will be tabled once select committee clears it.
कसले पावर सपोज जाता है कोणाक सपोज जाता प्रिवेंटीव मेजर म्हणजे एक्शन कोणाक अरेस्ट करपा जाय सपोज खंय लॉ एंड ऑर्डर प्रॉब्लेम जाता थंय झगडे मारामार जावपाचे तेन्ना तांकां ते पावर्स ना थोडे कडेन तेन्ना तितूंक ते एक्ट म्हणजे हितूंक आसा पळय सेक्शना भितर घालपाक जाय म्हण ते वेळार ती खंयची जाय बाकी स्टेटींनी कितें केलां ते थोडी म्हायती घेवन ते एक आमी बील प्रिपेर करता आनी ते बील जे आसा आमी ह्या विधानसभेत हाडपाचे प्रयत्न करता सर जालें ना जाल्यार दुसरें करता पूण आमकां करेक्ट जाय एकदां जाले नंतर मागीर तें कशें जावचें न्हू पुलिसाचें हें आसा पळय खंय खंय अडचणी आसा कितें अमेंडमेंट जाय हें सगळें तशी स्टडी तांकां करपाक लायिल्लें आसा.
Home Minister Ravi Naik said that the state government knows its duty to stop foreign tourists from drinking and travelling at late night. He was replying to statement of senior Russian official who said that if Goa does not want foreign tourists to drink and travel, then they should change their local laws and rules.
कायदे कितले बदलपा जाय कितें आसा ते आमचे हे आसा ती कायदे बदलप कितें आसा ते आमी पळयतले आमचे पुलीस डिपार्टमेंट होम डिपार्टमेंट पळयतले आमचे सरकार पळयतले त्या संबंधी कितें उणवी आसा कितें आसा ते आमी पळयतात.
Home Department has decided to depute one more police inspector to Ponda police station to give free hand to CL Patil to only concentrate in Dupatta killer Mahanand Naik case.
आमचे कितें आसा की आमचे फोंड्याक आनीक PI जाय पडटलो कारण कितें आसा तेन्ना लोड खूब आसा ते पुलीस स्टेशनाचेर आनी कशें ह्यो केसी ज्यो आसा सगळे तरेच्यो आतां पळय मर्डर केसी आसा ह्या केसी संबंदी जो आमचो तो PI सद्या आसा तो PIक लोड चड जाता म्हणजे त्या शिवाय बाकीचे लोक येता पळय डे टू डे जे एक्सिडेंट जाता आनी कितें जाता सगळे तरेच्यो ताका लागून ते मॉनिटर करपाक आनीक PI जाय पडटलो ते PI थंय चडकून येतलो रोखडो.
Our principal correspondent Murari Shetty with video journalist Ravindra Dalvi for Prudent Media.
The health minister has come out clear that he would not be parting with his health portfolio for the next 3 years. Rane confirmed that he will join Congress and confirmed that he had not demanded any other portfolio for entering the Congress party.
Independent Valpai MLA Vishwajit Rane and unattached Taligaon MLA Babush Monserrat are getting ready to enter Congress. It is said that both the MLAs have asked specific ministry for both of them. However, Junior Rane informed us that he has not demanded for any particular ministry.
एकदम म्हाका वायट दिसता हे चुकीचे कोण म्हणटा हांवें PWD मागला म्हाका आरोग्य खातें सोडपाचें ना म्हाका आरोग्य आनी कृषी खातें आनी क्राफ्ट्समॅन ट्रेनिंग खातें जें आसा हे ह्या 3 वर्सान हांव सोडपाचो म्हाजो इंट्रस्ट ना कारण ह्या खात्यान आतांच काम चालू जाल्लें आसा आरोग्य खात्यान जे कितें इतले वर्सां घडोवंक ना आतां घडटा हांवें मुख्यमंत्रीचे म्हाका पूर्ण पाठिंबो ह्या सगळ्या गोश्टीक आसा आनी निश्चित म्हाका तरी दिसता की काम खूब आसा.
Junior Rane said that he cannot fight independently for all his life. He further added that his family is always Congress supporter and now he will enter Congress.
जे पेपरान येता जे आमी काही डिमांड घातल्या हे सगळी खोटी बातमी म्हाका तरी दिसता की हांव जेन्ना प्रवेश करूंक जाय जेन्ना श्रीमती सोनिया गांधीजी कडेन म्हाजो मिटींग जाल्ली मुख्यमंत्री वांगडा पयली इलेक्शना पयलीं हांवें बी तांकां सांगलेलें आसा म्हाजी जेन्ना तांकां गरज पडटा म्हाजे सगळो तरूण जो